So much to learn about. It'll make you want to shout, Blippi!
Hey, it's me, Blippi! Do you know all the planets of our solar system? Yeah! Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune! Wow, there's 8 planets! Why don't we draw one of them? I'm gonna pick the color red, and let's draw Saturn. Wow, Saturn is the second largest planet. Whoa, and it looks like top of a circle, but I'm gonna stop halfway. And then I'm gonna start to draw the ring. Whoa, check it out. And then the bottom half of the circle, just like that. Wow, doesn't that look like Saturn? I know, wow. Thank you so much for drawing Saturn with me. If you wanna draw more with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Yeah, B-L-I-P-P-I, Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye. Hey, it's me, Blippi. Do you want to draw something else together? Me too. I think we should draw a hedgehog. All right, I'm gonna take this black marker and draw a diagonal line. Yeah, which is a line on an angle. And then I'm gonna start to draw a circle. Yeah, but I'm gonna stop just like that. And I'm gonna go to the top of the diagonal line, go straight down, and then loop and make a really long L, just like that. And that's the body. But before I go, I'm gonna start to make the circle and color it in, and that is the nose right there. They can smell really well. And then another circle, and that's the eye. And then a big smile, because they're all so happy. And then we need some U's, just like that, for the legs. Whoa! And then we're gonna do some upside down V's. Whoa! For the pokies. Whoa! Wow, there we go. Cute animal. Well, if you love drawing with me and want to draw some more, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I, Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye. Hey, it's me, Blippi. Today, you and I are gonna draw a bus. Not just any bus, Buster the bus from Go Buster. Wow, Buster is so cool. Yeah, he takes his job very serious, but not too seriously because he always has a smile. All right, to draw Buster, I'm gonna take a black marker and draw a rectangle, but with rounded corners. There we go. How does that look? Whoa, and let's draw a circle down here for a wheel and a tire. Ooh, and a little circle inside. Ooh, and a square right down there. All right, let's draw a rectangle right here for the front windshield, and then a smiley face, but you can't forget about the eyes, those half circles right there. And let's start coloring things in. All right, tires, as you know, are black. Yeah, there we go. But you can't also forget about the rear view mirrors. And then what color is Buster? Yeah, yellow. Here we go. Whoa! Cool, there you go, Buster. Now you have some color. Well, if you want to keep drawing with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I, Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye. Hey, it's me, Blippi. Whoa, I'm climbing up a ladder. I'm acting like a firefighter to save someone. I'll come help you. Hey, why don't you and I draw a ladder? Ladders are so useful. Yeah, for firefighters. So then they can get up to the top of the building and help people. Or maybe you're a painter and you need to get up really high to paint the ceiling. Whoa. All right, to draw a ladder, let's draw a diagonal line just like that. Whoa. And then another diagonal line just like that. And watch this. We'll do 2 more lines right next to them. And then if you make an arch up here, an arch right there, one at the bottom, one at the bottom. Now they're really long ovals. And then if we draw some horizontal lines, just like this, that is what you use to step on. Yeah, those are the steps. Wow, I sure do love drawing. And if you want to draw more with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I, Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye. Hey, it's me, Blippi. Ah! Today, you and I are gonna draw a shark. Not just any shark, a great white shark. Yeah, do you know what color they are? Yeah, the color gray. Gray on top, white on the bottom. All right, let's take our gray marker and make a curved line, make a point, come back. Whoa, and now for the tail. Whoa, yeah, look at that. That's a great start. All right, now we need to make some fins. There we go. All right. Yeah, it's really looking like a shark now. Look at all those angles and points. They kind of look like triangles, don't they? All right, now let's draw a line right through here. Wow, and now we need to draw the teeth. Rah! So pointy and sharp. Ah! And a nice circle for an eye. Whoa! Did you know great white sharks, on average, they grow to 15 feet in length. That's about 4.5 meters. Well, if you love drawing with me and want to draw some more, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I, Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye. Hey, it's me, Blippi. Have you seen me drive my Blippi mobile? Oh, it's a really cool car, but not an ordinary car. Yeah, I have attachments and I can go in really cool places. Hey, why don't you and I draw my Blippi mobile together? First, let's start with one wheel and tire, another wheel and tire, but then we need to take the orange and draw a circle inside there. Yeah, just like that. And then let's take the color blue and then draw a rectangle right in between. Yeah, see that? Whoa! And then we draw a circle like this. Yeah, and that's where I sit. And if we draw straight up, yeah, the back, you can color it in. Whoa! And right here, I'm going so fast. Cool. Well, if you love drawing with me, yeah, and want to draw some more, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I, Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye. Hey, it's me, Blippi. Have you ever played on a playground outside at the park? Wow, isn't it so much fun? I love swinging on the swings. Hey, why don't you and we draw a swing together? All right, I'm gonna start with the color black, and I'm gonna make, yeah, it looks like the smile on a smiley face. Whoa, but I'm actually making the seat just like that, and I'm gonna do two of them. Whoa, yeah, it also kind of looks like a banana, huh? All right, then let's do 4 vertical lines, just like that. All right, now let's draw the start of a square. Don't connect the bottom. And then let's draw 2 diagonal lines, and there it is. There's a swing. But hey, what's at a park most of the time? Yeah, a lot of grass. Whoa, what a beautiful swing set. Well, if you want to keep drawing with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Yeah, ready? B-L-I-P-P-I, Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye.
Come on, everyone, let's make learning fun. So much to learn about, it'll make you want to shout, Blippi!